Alright, welcome to our inventories practice questions. So, ang coverage ng practice questions na ito ay ang inventory overview natin, ang inventory FOB destinations at FOB shipping point na topics, at saka ang consignment. So, ganito ang magiging mechanics ng ating practice questions. Alright? So, ipa-flash ko yung questions sa yung screen. Kagaya nito, then ipopause mo po yung screen mo, then solve the problem. So kapag meron ka ng answers and solutions in front of you, then i-play mo ulit for the next question. Sa solutions naman, ganito po ang gagawin natin. So, ang FOB shipping point, the buyer owns the goods. Since the buyer owns the goods, the buyer should be responsible for them. So, sa solutions, lahat po ng concept ay isusulat ko dito. Then, gagamitin natin yung mga concepts for analysis of each question. Then, dito naman natin isusulat ang solution sa bawat problem. Kung ready ka na, halika, samahan mo ako mag-analyze ng inventories. Alright, question number 1. The requirement on question number 1 is, by what amount should Omar inventory account at December 31st be reduced? So, ang tinatanong ng problem kung magkano daw ang i-adjust natin sa inventory ni Omar. So, the following items were included in Omar's company inventory account at December 31st. Take note, the word included. Alright? So, there are 3 items sa problem na ito. Then, we will analyze kung kailangan ba natin i-include ito sa ating inventory or hindi. Kung hindi natin dapat i-include, yan ang hinahanap ng problem. Alright? First item is merchandise out on consignment at sales price, including 40% markup on selling price. So, kailangan ba natin i-include pati ang ating markup or ating gross profit? Ang dapat lang natin pinapakita sa inventory, ang laman ng inventory natin ay yung cost lang. Yung puhunan mo lang sa mga goods na binibenta mo. Yun ang laman ng ating inventory account. Alright? So, kung isinama yung markup, tubo mo sa goods na yon, dapat inaalis natin yon. Sinabi ng problem natin is including 40% markup on selling price. So, remember, our selling price minus our cost of the goods is equal to our gross profit. So, kung 40% po ito, therefore, our selling price is 100%. So, kung 100% minus the cost percentage is equal to our gross profit, ang ating percentage ng cost natin is 60%. Alright? Pero hindi yan ang hinahanap ng problem. Ang hinahanap ng problem kung magkano yung i-reduce natin, yung isinama sa inventory natin na hindi naman dapat isama. Yung 40%, yung profit, or yung markup ng goods na kinonsign natin. So, the item number 1 should be reduced by the markup. So, magkano ang markup na in-include nila doon sa 40,000? So, 40,000 times the 40%. Alright, alisin natin ang 16,000. Another item is goods purchased in transit ship FOB shipping point. Let's have an overview of our FOB shipping point and FOB destination. On the locations of the seller, that's our shipping point. And on the locations of the buyer, that's our destination. Dalawang ways lang ang pwedeng maging agreement between the seller and the buyer. Alright? FOB destination or FOB shipping point. FOB shipping point. Sa FOB shipping point, pagbigay niya kay carrier, as si carrier is on the way to the buyer, pag-aari na ni buyer, yung goods kapag FOB shipping point. Kapag FOB destination naman, Kapag FOB destination naman, ang ibig sabihin, the ownership of the good transfers to the buyer kapag si carrier nakarating na kay buyer. So, habang si carrier nasa daan papunta kay buyer, pag-aari pa rin ni seller. So, itong goods na pinurchase ni Omar in transit and ship FOB shipping point, pag-aari ni Omar yan. Because Omar is the buyer. So, this 36,000, wala tayong adjustment dyan. Talagang kailangan naka-include yan sa inventory ni Omar. Another item is goods held on consignment by Omar. Sa consignment naman, the consignor transfer goods to the consignee. The consignor owns the good, therefore, the goods should be included in the consignor's inventory. The responsibility of the consignee ay ibenta itong goods na ito. Alright? The responsibility of the consignee is to sell the goods. Therefore, si consignee, hindi niya pag-aari yung goods na yon. Kailangan excluded yan sa inventory niya. So, ang sabi ng problem natin is, goods held on consignment by Omar. Si Omar, consignee siya. Therefore, hindi natin yan dapat i-include sa inventory ni Omar. So, aalisin natin yan. Alright? Amounting to 27,000. So, the total na aalisin natin sa inventaryo ni Omar is 43,000. And this is our answer. So, ang answer natin is letter D. Alright, question number 2. What amount of net inventory on consignment remains on the statement of positions for the first year for Omar? So, ang tinatanong ng problem kung magkano pa daw ang inventory na naiiwan sa kinonsigned on the statement of positions for the first year for Omar. Sikat si Omar ngayon. Omar Company ship inventory on consignment to Seabright Company. Si Omar ang ating consignor. Si Seabright naman ang ating consignee. So, Omar Company ship inventory on consignment to Seabright Company that cost 20,000. Yung transfer niyang goods, nagkakahalaga ito ng 20,000. Alright? Ang tanong ng problem kung magkano pa daw ang naiiwan sa kinonsign niyang goods kay Seabright. Seabright paid 500 advertising that was reimbursable from Omar. So, dito sa consignment na ito, lahat po ng mai-incur na cost ni consignee with regards to selling the goods ni consignor, lahat po yon ay dapat expenses ni consignor. Like, for example, the commission, the advertisement, also yung marketing with regards to selling the goods. Alright? So, lahat po ng mai-incur na gastos ni consignee with regards to selling the goods ay dapat expenses ni consignor o ni Omar. Lahat naman ng mga cost na mai-incur ni Omar or ng consignor, it should be capitalized to the good consigned. So, yung kinonsigned ni Omar kay Seabright ay 20,000. Alright? Seabright paid 500 advertising that was reimbursable from Omar. So, meaning to say that's the expenses. Yan ay hindi tanong ng problem. Alright? At the end of the year, 70% of the inventory was sold for 30,000. So, ang ibig sabihin, 70% ang nabenta ni Seabright, meron pang naiiwan na 30%. So, ang tinatanong ng problem is kung magkano pa daw ang naiiwan sa kinonsign niyang goods. Right? The agreement states that commission of 20% will be provided to Seabright for all sales. That's a commission, that's an expense by the consignor. Hindi yan kasama sa tinatanong na ending inventory. Ang ending inventory, therefore, ni Omar with regards to these consigned goods is 30% of the 20,000. So our answer is 20,000. So, ang answer po natin ay 6,000. Yan lang ang naiiwan sa kinonsign niyang goods. And our answer is letter B.